I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. And remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.